Hey guys, it's FailRanks. Welcome back. You may be wondering, where am I? Well, I'll explain your questions. This is my new speedrunning game on Roblox that I've been working on called Run Like the Wind, inspired loosely off of Speedrun 4 with a twist, I'd say. No, that's Coil. You good? Ah! So yeah, I'll be getting into the development of this game. So yeah, before we get into this, if you do enjoy this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment and share this video. But anyways, all right, let's get into the video. Quick interjection before we get into this video. Yeah, I'm sorry, I have to do this again. But I just want to thank you all for 100 subscribers. As of now, I'm at 109. And the next goal is 200 subscribers. Can we do that? I don't know. But anyways, thank you guys. That's very cool and epic for you guys getting me to 100 subscribers. And this video will also host as a place to give feedback to me on how to improve this game, as it's currently in demo, and I want you guys to give suggestions on how to directly improve this game. The levels I may change or not, depending on how you guys feel, because I made these in a couple of minutes, and I feel like these aren't the best levels ever. So yeah, give me feedback on how to improve. But anyways, let's actually get on to the devlog. Thank you for listening to me just interject. All right, thanks. So yeah, Run Like the Wind is a speedrunning game. Why did I decide to make a speedrunning game on Roblox? It's because I saw other devlog videos of people making speedrunning games, and I thought it would be relatively simple and pretty fun, so that's why I decided to make Run Like the Wind. But the important question is, what would be the unique mechanic that would set it apart from other speedrunning games? It's not the most unique idea I came up with, but I came up with an idea where there would be big jumps that you couldn't make normally. So you would have to use a burst of wind to propel you over a huge ledge, making it to the other side. And also being able to climb up walls using a burst of air to boost you up. So yeah, that was the mechanic for my game. So how the air works is wherever you click, it plays a sound and spawns a air burst, as you can see, where it places the air down and expands. And if you're within the expanding radius of 8 studs, it will apply velocity of 50 studs up for 0.2 seconds. And this also has a cooldown of 0.5, so you can only use air burst every zero point 0.5 seconds. So yeah, that's how this works. I'm not going to get into the scripting as I did before, and it takes way too long. And this is not really a tutorial. This is just me showing off my game. So I hope you guys understand that. But if you actually want me to show the scripts in future devlogs, I'll be happy to do that. But anyways, let's get on to the actual game and show you the main systems within Run Like the Wind. Also, I forgot to show you this actually has an animation, but since I'm in R15, it's not playing properly. So I'll quickly show you a clip of the animation playing in R6. Okay, so let's start with the options first. The options can toggle on and off, making the GUI visible, and the auto progress on or off. What is the auto progress? As you can see, if you complete the level, you progress to the next level. As you can see, I was level 1, now I'm level 2. But if you have auto progress off, you will just teleport back to the spawn of that level you're on. As you can see, when you move around, the time starts and starts counting up. But if you fall off and die, it will restart the timer back to 0. But if you make it to the other side and hit that, it will also set your progress back to 0 as you just completed that level. So yeah, back to 0, and I'll show you the script because it's kind of interesting. So yeah, this is the script. You can read it, pause, and try to understand this because I won't really be explaining this. So yeah, this is how this works if you know how to script on Roblox. So for this end goal thing, when you hit it, uh, it will get your time that it invokes from your timer GUI that will be counting when you move, which it will ask for what time is on that value, and it will give the data to this main script. And if the time is less than your PV value, that means that will set that time as your new PB value for that level. And also, as you can see before, it also resets your timer back to 0. And if their progress value is on, it will progress the player to the next level. As you can see, this is level 1, so it will send you to level 2. Else, it'll spawn you back to your spawn position of that level if you don't have auto progress on. And I also added a wait timer so the player can't hit the thing again and bug it out and get a PB of 0 seconds. So this is where I hold all the PB data. It's really messy, I know, but so basically, since you can only put one value in an order data store, and there's like 11 stages, I had to make 11 separate data stores to be able to use this for the leaderboard and rank the players properly. So yeah, I basically set the value to the max that it can be, and get the async. If there's async, I'll set the PB to the data store's PB that got saved when you leave and the server closes. It will save your PB. But as you can see here, there's actually an error, which I will actually now fix. Oops, thank goodness I decided to look over this again. For the levels, when you open them, you can select between level 1 to level 10 and then a full game run, which this is what the full game run is. It has all the levels and you have to complete them like all at once, and you can't fail or you'll literally get restart all the way back. So you gotta play perfect or else you'll fall back and lose time or completely be reset, which I just did. Oh my god, I'm messing up. But that's not the point. So yeah, there's different levels, and I'll just quickly show you them. This is level 1, this is level 2, this is level 3, this is level 4, this is level 5. Oh, and as you can see, when you click them, it also darkens so you know which level you're on. This is level 7, 8, 9, 10. I'll quickly show you the server script that handles changing the levels. So yeah, quickly go into that. So yeah, this is the script that does it. There's two events because there's one when the server calls to the server and the client calls to the server, but it's the same thing really. It kills the player, it waits 0.2 so the player can respawn and not hit the next level's endpoint by accident, possibly. It clears that level from the workspace and it gets the levels clone that you clicked on and it sets it to the workspace. So that's how the levels are changed. Okay, we went through a lot, but this is the final thing. So the leaderboards, when you open them, it will open up a leaderboard where it'll tell you the fastest times from fastest to slowest with 5 slots. And as you can see, I released a shorts earlier, and there were like some people who played, 2 players who played, and yeah, these are their times that got saved and got called. So yeah, this is, you can see who was the fastest, which was me at 0.63, and then for the different levels, it shows you the different people who are at the top and their times. So yeah. Oh, I didn't complete level 8. But yeah, as you can see, it's just me. Can you beat my time? Even though I didn't fully complete the game. Well, I did fully complete it, but I cleared the leaderboards because most of my time were bugged, and I hopefully fixed that. So yeah, I'll show you the script behind it, which is equally a mess as the data thing. But yeah, I don't know why my personal best time is not showing for level 1, even though I do have it. I actually don't know why it's not showing at all. I'm gonna have to fix that, as I am clearly doing something wrong. So, yeah, I'll show you the leaderboards and I'll fix that before I drop this video. Alright, guys, let's get into it. Oh, oops. Oh, I made it. Oh, yep. Now. Alright, so this is the Goliath of a script. So, yeah, I get all the data and then I get the pages. But I actually made it so the max value is basically the max minus 1. So it's not flooded with people just like joining and then getting, data assigned to them and showing people with like 999999999 seconds. So I actually made the max 99999 with an 8. So it doesn't include those scores. So yeah, and then this is the suffix for properly adding suffixes like first, second, third, fourth, fifth instead of one, two, three, four, five. These are the levels. Well, not really levels, pages. I don't know why they're called levels. And yeah, we just run this. These stuff are empty because I added this so that like it can clear stuff properly because the leaderboards, as you can see, does not have 5 people, so it has to be able to clear properly. Show like through the 3 of us in the first level, and the 2 empty ones, and then the second one only being me. It clears the other people being empty, and then the first one being me who actually completed is first, and then all that. So yeah, that's really it. I'll get on to the outro of this video. And also, just quick fun fact, I used integer values for the time and made the millimeters an int of 1 because the decimals would start giving like out of whack decimals and stuff. So I just use integers and then just dividing them by 100 to substitute as working milliseconds without the like rounding point error or whatever that computers have when calculating decimals. So yeah, okay, just let's get on to the outro. Thank you all for watching. If you played the game and you have some problems with it, please give feedback, as I said, down in the description below. Anyways, thank you all. I hope you guys enjoy the game. And another project is coming out soon that I'm actually working on. That's going pretty well. So yeah, thank you. See you all in the next devlog. Bye bye. Please donate to me. I'm poor. Please.